Hello and welcome to the third episode of Mixing Essentials. In this episode, we'll discuss how to shape sounds using EQ and distortion. EQ is widely used in mixing as well as in sound design. Filtering is a form of EQ that allows you to filter out low or high frequencies. There are three main filter types: high pass, which lets through high frequencies, low pass, which lets through low frequencies, and band pass, which lets through a certain range of frequencies. Filters are often used to shape sounds in a creative way. The best example of that is in synthesis. If you want to learn more on using filters in synthesis, watch our Synthesis 101 series. Another common EQing technique in mixing is fixing clashing frequencies. If we listen to this snare and synths together, you'll notice the center frequency of both tracks is around the same range. The two elements will battle for a spot, and as the synths are more aggressive, the snare is muffled to the back a bit. If we insert an EQ on the synth and apply a cut at the problem frequency, we'll create some room for the snare, and you'll notice the snare will come out better. Let's have a listen. EQ can also be used to bring out certain characteristics of a sound. For example, by boosting higher frequencies, you increase clarity and the sound will come through better. Let's try this on the hi-hats. Here are the hi-hats without the high frequency boost, and now with the high frequency boost. Another tool to add character is distortion. By distorting a sound, you are actually changing the waveform shape and adding extra harmonic frequencies. These frequencies give a sound more presence. Listen to this snare drum. It sounds a bit flat now. Let's apply some distortion to add more character and presence. Distortion can be applied in many degrees of intensity. For example, rock guitars are often heavily distorted to create a bigger and fatter sound. But be selective. If you overdo it, too much distortion will clutter your mix. And remember to always let your ears be the final judge. In the next video, we'll discuss how to apply compression and limiting. Subscribe and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss a mixing essential. And if you want to learn more in-depth mixing techniques, sign up for one of our music production courses.